Welcome to GigaBits. You've probably seen Amata, an elite-style dating app that markets itself as more than just swipes and likes, positioning itself as a place for meaningful connections, quality conversations, and lasting relationships. It promises a curated, intentional experience for serious daters. But in 2026, when every app claims to be the luxury or next-level dating platform, the key question is Amata legit, or just another dating app with glossy marketing and inflated promises? Today we're breaking down the real truth behind Amata. To get to the bottom of whether Amata is a trustworthy dating app, I used it over 6 weeks, engaging seriously, filling out my profile fully, messaging matches, and testing features such as premium membership and event invites. I also analyzed user reviews from different platforms, surveyed dating communities, and compared Amata to other niche dating apps. With hands-on experience and broad community insight, here's how Amata performs in a real-world dating scenario. Amata claims to offer a refined, quality-first dating experience. Real people, not bots. Many profiles are verified or curated, a strong emphasis on meaningful conversations and long-term connections, exclusive or gated features to discourage casual swiping, high-level security and privacy for users, events, offline meetups, and curated social interaction. These promises are attractive, but do they hold up when you actually sign in? Step 1. Profile quality and verification. During testing, many of the profiles I saw appeared well-written and genuine. Users seemed serious, fewer selfie-only accounts, more conversation starters, and detailed bio sections. However, not everyone was verified. Some users claim to have completed verification, but the process isn't as strict or transparent as elite dating services, which leaves room for unverifiable or low-effort accounts. Step 2. Membership and pricing. Amata offers a free light mode, but many of its best features, like advanced matching visibility, message priority, and event access, require a paid membership. The cost is higher than mass-market dating apps, which supports its premium branding. For serious users, this is justifiable. For casual daters, the cost may feel too steep. Step 3. Matching and messaging experience. Match quality is generally high. I connected with people who had detailed profiles and real conversation potential. Messaging tends to be more deliberate rather than spammy. That said, response rates vary. Some matches never replied, and conversations sometimes stalled after a few messages. This is not unique to Amata. Quality dating apps often have lower message volume. But it's something to keep in mind if you're used to high-traffic swipe culture. Step 4. Events and social features. One of Amata's standout features is its curated events. Group meetups, social mixers, and member-only gatherings. In my use, I received invitations to virtual or local events depending on my area. These gatherings seem genuine and provide a real opportunity to meet members beyond the app. However, event frequency depends heavily on local density, so not every user will benefit equally from this. Step 5. Security and privacy. Amata promises enhanced privacy and secure interactions. The app doesn't force users to reveal too much personal information up front, and users report feeling more control. There's no obvious data leak or public complaint history. Yet, like any dating service, some risk remains. Always use caution and validate profiles in real-life contexts. Step 6. Community feedback and credibility. In dating forum communities and app review sections, feedback is mostly positive. Many users praise Amata for being different, less superficial, more thoughtful, and more relationship-oriented. But not everyone is convinced. Critics argue that high costs and limited local membership in smaller cities can make it less useful. Some also mention that the verification process is too soft. Step 7. Limitations. The biggest limitations include potentially small local user pool depending on location, high membership cost relative to casual dating use, not all profiles are strictly verified, event availability is region dependent, response rates may be lower than swipe-based apps. So is Amata dating app legit? Yes. It appears to be a genuine quality-focused dating platform, not a scam. It's a good choice if you want more meaningful connections than surface-level swiping, are ready to pay for premium features and community events, prefer curated dating and offline meetups, value thoughtful profiles and deeper conversations. It's less ideal for you if you are looking for free, casual, fast matches, live in a small city or area with few Amata users, don't want to pay for a subscription or event features, care more about volume than quality. Bottom line, Amata is a credible dating app that leans into its premium brand. It's not perfect, but for people who want serious connections and are willing to invest, it's one of the better niche choices. If this review helped you decide whether Amata dating app is worth trying, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We review dating apps, tech tools and lifestyle platforms every week, so you always know what's real and what's hype.